Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. I am new here to this channel on YouTube, and I'm kind of shy. But today I'm going to be doing my makeup, and I hope you like it. So let's get on to it. So first, I'm going to be starting off with foundation. This is really dirty for some reason. And then my little sponge, and I don't know why blue's on it, but my blue powder is a little down. But first I'm gonna open, oh wait, okay. So first I'm gonna be putting my hair up. I'm so sorry, I just really, I don't know. Okay, so first we're gonna be starting off by putting my hair up. And this is my brush. I hope it's really cute. So we're gonna start pulling it back in a ponytail. Ow, my hair's really naughty. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put the band on it. I know it doesn't look perfect, but yeah. So I'm gonna get started with my makeup now. So we're gonna put the foundation on. This is gonna be cool, so I'm just gonna do a dot there, a dot there, 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 and there. As you can see, it's kind of look weird. Whoop. There the lid goes. Okay, now let's. Wow, that's. Whoop. Maybe I had a little too much foundation. And at the end, I'll show you my makeup thing, or I can just show you right now. But I'm thinking at the end, maybe. It's almost blended in. Instead of dotting it, I'm just gonna rub it in, even though I'm not supposed to. Okay, foundation is all on. Now it's time for the mascara. Sometimes I'll get it all over me, but sometimes I won't. By the way, I have a brother named Titus and my name's Maddie. So I hope all my friends are watching. Especially you, Jalen. So, and then I'm gonna put some blush on. Oh, and today's my sister's homecoming. Battery. Oh, my battery's only on, my mom's phone's battery's only on 15%, so I better hurry with the video. The blush might not be really good. Yeah, that's bad. But I hope you like it. little coat of lip balm. And now we're going to do a little coat of lip balm. Well, whatever. It's from Claire's. And I'm just suggesting on this light pink because it would go with my lips and it's glittery. If you can see. I don't think you can see. I'm going to put them back. And now I'm going to get this one and add a little gloss to my lips. I wish you can smell this right now. And then I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And this is the blue one, and this is the purple one. But I think I might do blue, because that's my favorite color. So I'm going to just open up the blue, put the lip there, and then, I think we're going to start with well, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm not going to tell you which blue I do until the end. Okay, now it's time for the next color. If you can guess what color it is, comment down below. And these are blues, even though it looks like purple. So this eye, compared to this eye. This one's blank, and this one's blue. Time to do the other eye. Time for the next color. Now the eyes compare. Okay. Now I'll tell you what color I used. So I used this blue and the dark blue. The lightish dark and the dark blue. That's the one I used. And comment down below if you got it right. Look at the foundation. It's dripping all over the place. I don't have a napkin, but I do have my face. So I'm just going to redo the blush. I'm just putting all over my cheeks because I messed the blush up. So I'm just going to redo the blush instead of getting up, going to the bathroom and getting tissue to wipe it off. And by the way, I only have 30 minutes. Oh, huh. And my mom's on 12%. Wow. Okay, time to redo the blush. Oh, again. What is wrong with this? Okay, now let's just put it all over my face. Rub it in. Finally got up and got the lid. Okay, it got all over my box. I guess I'll just wipe it off with my shirt. Doesn't look that bad. Okay, now into the blush. Okay, and for the last and final part, we have the lipstick. Maybe I messed up a little bit. Okay, well, there's my makeup for today. And if you like this, click the bell. It's right up there. And this is the first video I've made, so we're gonna be making a lot of videos, and I hope we get a lot of views. See you guys next time. Bye!